Beware, beware when the trucks quiver in fear. Beware, beware when the rails groan. Beware, beware when the wood begins to split. Beware, beware when the Weretruck rides the rails. Take us away from that truck too. The trucks were all frightened of a small truck that had arrived last night, on its own in the back siding. Take me away! No, take me! Take me, I'm refrigerated. N2, we have an urgent delivery. Please take that truck. No, no, no! You must not take that truck! What's rubbish? Out on the main line, something strange began to happen. The small truck howled. Oh, help! Whatever is going on back there? The truck's wood began to creak and groan. Something snapped and half the train was left behind. And where the small truck once was, now it had as the Weretruck jumped unprototypically across the rails. Soon N2 caught up. Stop there! The Weretruck howled and growled. Howl and growl as much as you like. I'm not frightened. I've got a train to pull and you're not delaying me. The Weretruck buffered up to N2 and began to push him. N2's wheels slipped, trying to grip the rails. Oh no, you don't! The Weretruck backed up, ready to charge and push N2 off the rails. The manager chained up the Weretruck next to the water tower so it couldn't transform again.